Journal 23. Venerate. Venerate. Improvise. Improvise. Debacle. Debacle. Insurrectionist. Insurrectionist. Pronouncement. Pronouncement. Pundit. Pundit. Venerate. Regard with deep respect.
及物动词，对什么什么深怀敬意、崇敬。
Venerated.
形容词是 venerated， 受人尊敬的。
We are a professional and venerated news show committed to delivering accurate, insightful, and timely reporting to our audience. Venerated. Venerated. Improvise. Create and perform music, drama, or verse spontaneously or without preparation.
及物动词或者是不及物动词，即兴创作，临时发挥。
He improvised on stage with the audience, making several jokes before he was able to find another politician to appear on the show. Debacle. Confused, rush or stampede. Sudden and great disaster. Downfall.
名词，大混乱，突然的大灾难，崩溃。
The company's handling of the product launch was a complete debacle, resulting in a massive loss of customer trust. Debacle. Debacle. Insurrection. Raising of people in open resistance to the government. Instance of this.
名词，起义、叛乱，此种实例。
Insurrectionist.
名词，叛乱分子。
The legislature is run by literal insurrectionists and indicted fake electors. Insurrectionist. Insurrectionist. Pronouncement. Formal statement or declaration.
可数名词，宣告、声明。
The president made a pronouncement on the new policy. The court's pronouncement was final. Pronouncement. Pronouncement. Pundit. Pundit. Sometimes humor a person who knows a great deal about a particular subject, especially one whose opinion is asked for by others.
名词，有时有幽默感，某一方面的权威专家。
Political pundits.
政治问题专家。
The pundits disagreed on the economic forecast, each offering differing opinions on the country's future. Pundits. Pundits. Venerate. Improvise. Debacle. Venerate. Improvise. Debacle. Insurrectionist. Pronouncement. Pundit. Venerate. Improvise. Debacle. Insurrectionist. Pronouncement. Pundit.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.